Life inside a music box ain't easy. The melody, the gears, they're always turning. And everyone inside the mechanism is yearning to get it out. Sing another melody completely, so different from the one they're always singing. I close my eyes and think that I have found me, but then I feel mortality surround me. I want to sing another melody, so different from the one I always sing. But when I do the dishes, I run the water very, very, very hot. And then I fill the sink to the top with bubbles of soap. Then I set all the bottle caps I own afloat. And it's the greatest voyage in the history of plastic. And then I slip my hands in and it starts to make waves. And I dip my tongue in and I take a taste. It tastes like soap, but it doesn't really taste like soap. Then I lower in my whole mouth and take a go, and start to feel mortality surround me. I close my eyes and think that I have found me. Life inside a music box ain't easy. The mallet's picked, the gears are always turning, and everyone inside the mechanism is yearning to get out and sing another melody completely. Is yearning to get out, is yearning to get out, is yearning to get out.